LR Life Tact. Your life, your tact, your well-being. You love your active lifestyle and want to preserve your mobility? You master the daily challenges and want to support your mobility proactively? For you, leisure sports is a little time out from everyday life and you want to enjoy it without limitations? Get the support you need right now. With LR Life Tact Proactivity. Freedom of movement for every stage in life. With the Proactivity Basic Solution, consisting of Aloe Vera Drinking Gel, Active Freedom and Active Freedom capsules, you support healthy bones and flexible joints. You preserve your mobility and effortlessly master the challenges of daily life. Stay active and enjoy your freedom of movement with LR Life Tact Proactivity. LR Life Tact. Your life, your tact, your well-being.